all about honeybees. Julie and her friends are playing in the park. They are having fun by climbing slides, moving on swings, playing hide and seek with each other. One of her friends saw a honeycomb hanging from the branch of a tree in the park. She was amazed to see the honeycomb and tried to hit the beehive. But she was stopped by Julie. Julie said that
If the honeycomb is disturbed, the buzzing bees disperse and sting the people by chasing them. So, we should not hit them. Her friends asked her to tell more about honeybees and how they make honey. Let us buzz into the bee world to know about buzzing bees. A beehive usually hangs on the branch of a tree in which bees are kept. Every beehive has only a few male bees. They are known as drones. And one queen bee that lays eggs. A queen bee can be easily identified as it is bigger than the other bees. The remaining bees are called worker bees. These worker bees work all day by making hives and also look after the other bees. The worker bees fly around in search of flowers with nectar to collect honey. When the worker bee finds a flower to suck the juicy liquid, it performs a waggle dance in the form of figure 8 to signal her co-worker bees that it found the source of honey. After collecting the nectar from the flowers, the worker bee keeps it in its stomach until it is full. When it is full, it passes it to the other worker bees in the hives. Gradually, the nectar turns out to be honey. The worker bees seal the beehives with a wax lid to keep it clean. The honey is then extracted by the beekeeper by setting fire to the hive as the bees get dispersed by the smoke. Honey is a thick gold sweet liquid that is produced by bees and is used by humans. The process of extracting honey is called apiculture. Have you tasted this golden liquid? If not, don't miss the chance to taste it.
let us recall. Honey bees suck the nectar from the flowers to make honey. The queen bee lays eggs and worker bees work continuously by making the hive. Bees produce honey and the beekeepers collect honey. Honey is a thick gold sweet liquid that is produced by bees and is used by humans.